Hello friends, this is Shashank Deshmukh from Nagpur. Today I am going to tell you about a war trophy of 1965 war which my uncle Lieutenant Sudhir Deshmukh brought from the battlefield from Pakistan in Sialkot sector. So firstly I will tell you about him in nutshell. Lieutenant Sudhir Deshmukh, born in 1944, got commissioned as second lieutenant in Indian Army in 1964. He survived 1965 war and in 1966 he died in road accident. So the thing is, when he was stationed in on the border, he was not with BSF, he was with regular army, and he was officer in artillery. Artillery means Tofkhana in Marathi or Tofkhana in Hindi. So when he reached Pakistan after capturing the position of the Pakistani army, he brought a war trophy from there. This shell. So this shell is fired from the howitzer, that is what we call in Marathi as Ukhil Tof. So you can see this shell. The shell is put into the breech of the howitzer, and after firing, the projectile here, it flows in the air and hits the enemy positions, most probably in bunkers, because artillery is always attacks before armored corps, that is tank division, and infantry, that is soldiers on foot, they attack to take the possession of the devastated area. So this shell was manufactured in United States in 1944 when Second World War was going on, and this shell was used by the Pakistani army, that is Pakistani artillery, in the year 1965. Means after 21 years the shell was manufactured in United States. So you can think such substandard weapons at that time US used to give to Pakistan. So this shell, you can see a cape here. So this cape is detonated after being hit by the hammer of the howitzer, and the projectile over here, it flows and hits the enemy positions, mostly bunkers and pillboxes. Pillboxes are small rooms, you must have seen war films, etc., with slots, and from the slots they put down barrels of the guns, are mostly heavy machine guns are visible. So this shell mainly hits the bunkers and pillboxes. So he brought this shell in 1965, so we can